Mom, 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 mommy, mom, love you. Anyways, it's Mother's Day, and just wanted to let you know that you're an amazing mom. I love you with all my heart and hope you have the greatest, most fantastic Mother's Day ever. And you mean the world to me, even though I don't express it a lot, hardly ever, though I should. Just thought I'd let you know I love you. And yeah, have a happy Mother's Day and all kinds of good stuff. Don't party too hard. We aren't gonna party. But anyways, just wanted to let you know